Climate change is the long-term change in the Earth's temperature and weather patterns. It is mainly caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, cutting down trees, and pollution.
Climate change is no longer a distant problem. It is here. It affects all of us. Our health, our homes, and our environment, and our future. Today we stand together to call for action because the earth is in our hands.
The rising global temperature is causing stronger typhoons, devastating floods, and unbearable heatwaves. Families lost their children, and children lost their future. Our forests are being cut down at an alarming rate. Without trees, we lose not only the fresh air, but also the natural flow of water, and also the protection against flood and landslides. But it's not too late. Together we can fight climate change. By saving energy, turning off unused light, using renewable power like solar and wind, we can reduce carbon emission and protect our planet.
By planting trees and taking care of our environment, we give back life to the earth. A single tree can provide an oxygen for many, and a forest can protect generations. By reducing plastic, reusing materials, and recycling our waste, we stop pollution from destroying our ocean, rivers, and lands. Every small action matters.
Each of us has the power to make change. Your small step, walking or biking instead of driving, saying no to single-use plastic, speaking up about climate change can inspire others to do the same. Together, millions of small steps create a giant leap for the planet.
This is our home, our only earth. If we act now, we can still save it. If we stay silent, we lose everything. Let us rise as one, youth, families, communities, fighting together for our future.
The earth is in our hands. Let's